Okay, guys, we got about 8 inches of snow. Welcome to winter. Welcome, welcome, welcome to winter. We'll see what Keto thinks about this snow here. Keto, where are you? You look at her loving it. She loves being out here, don't you? What do you think about this snow, Keto? Huh? You like it, don't you? You're in your environment. And the wind's going to start kicking up. See, the main drag's taken care of down there. We'll probably plow my street here in a little bit and leave a nice little mound of snow in front of a mailbox like usual. Man, I got a lot of cleaning up to do in the backyard. I got those trees up there I need to chop up. All the stuff there I never did from last year. Keto. Here, let's see if Keto likes to be snow dusted. Come on, Keto, you're supposed to like that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? You want to go in? You want to go inside? Your little dog tush, isn't your dog tushy cold? I don't know how you could take sitting on a cold pavement like that, honey. So yeah, I guess we got about probably about 6 inches of snow. And this is only the middle of January, so there's probably going to be more coming. Come on, Keto, let's go inside. Okay, come on. Ooh, man. Guys, I can honestly tell you, I don't think I'll be able to get the motorcycle out of the garage probably, let alone out of the driveway. There's a lot of streets around here that really need to be plowed bad. The Cadillac did a pretty good job. It did a pretty decent job of getting me to work and back here. And naturally, there's all kind of cowboys on the fucking road. Naturally, all kind of cowboys. You know, that goes with us. Naturally, tailgating. They tailgate in all kind of weather here. They don't give a shit if there's ice, rain, snow. They tailgate just the same around here. They don't give two shits the fucking wind here. Whether there's ice on a road, 2 feet of snow, they'll tailgate you nevertheless. All right, let's see if we can get you back in. Come on, let's go inside. Come on, Keita. Come on, I got some bacon for you. Come on, I got bacon for you. They treat me with meals at work. I get free meals, so I'm usually bringing something home, and I got bacon for her. Keita, come on, let's go inside. All right, I'm gonna have to blackmail you. I'm gonna have to get her something to get her back in here. Guys, I gotta get myself a dumpster, man, to get rid of all this stuff. So, all right, guys. Once again, welcome to winter. Alright guys, as you can see, it doesn't match. And this area here needs sanded down a little more. This area here come out pretty good. It just doesn't match at all. So, I mean, you know what? If I mess around with some Honda spray paints, I could probably get it closer. But I ordered the aluminum plate. I ordered an aluminum plate. It's 12 by 12. That way I have plenty in case if I mess up on my first design, and it's an 1/8 of an inch thick. So let me show you my template here, because that one there is too small. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this design out of a piece of 1/8 thick aluminum. And it's going to sit just like this. So this will probably have to be ground in a little bit more, because I want it to hug the turn of that fender. So, but it's going to sit just like this, and it's going to be polished aluminum. We'll get it to look just like the rest of the bike, and I think that'll look slick as hell if I can pull it off. Now, my Dremel, I have my Dremel cutter, and basically what you do is you cut about 1 millimeter at a time with this, you know, and then your final cut should trim that right off. Then we'll smooth in the inside, we'll smooth the edges. And we're going to get some acetone. We're going to do some acetone etching to sand it down. We'll sand it down a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, until we're sanding it down with 5,000, maybe 7,000 grit sandpaper. Then I'll put it on my buffing wheel. We got our buffing compound. I even have the green. This is Jeweler's. That's Jeweler's buffing compound. So yeah, I can't believe the cowboys out there on the road. You know, these people around here, man, they are crazier than all's hell. These people are crazier than a crack addict on LSD. They tailgate, they don't give a damn what road conditions. You know, it's pretty bad here. It really is. It's getting really bad here, guys, for road safety. What I'm going to try to do, and I'm sorry to tell you guys this, but I'm going to, after I finish this plate here, this nose plate, I'm going to try to sell the motorcycle. And with the money I get from the bike, I'm going to either rent a house, that way I can put this up for sale, or I'm going to put a down payment on a house, or possibly on a trailer, so that way I can get the hell away from here. That's how bad it is here. That's how bad it is. You know, you cannot. I don't know how to tell you guys this, but you can't enjoy living in Western Pennsylvania. You cannot enjoy living here. You can't enjoy your vehicle. You can't go out for a casual drive in your vehicle. You have to drive like you're living in New York City here. You have to drive like a maniac here. You cannot just take your time and enjoy the cruise to get where you're going. You have to drive like an absolute maniac around here. You know, and it's no place for an older person. It is no place for an elderly person whatsoever. There's no... In my book, I'm 100% convinced that this is Western Pennsylvania, Allegheny County, is a horrible place to retire. It's absolutely out of the question. So, okay. Now, this is Martin Luther King birthday today, which I did work. I got the holiday time, but there's no mail delivery today. So I'll probably get that aluminum tomorrow. And that's the whole key. That's the whole key, to cut this design neatly out of the aluminum. But yeah, I think I did pretty good, you know. I filled it in pretty good. It's actually real smooth. You can see here, this will need, if I was to try to finish this with just paint, that'll need hit again. This needs to sanded down again. You can see here, that's starting, I think I sanded down the clear coat. You know, so before I do any more damage to this, we're going to make that sucker. And once this is created, you see this will have to be ground in a little more to match, but it'll cover all the indifference. And that'll be double-sided, taped down, which it'll never come off. That'll never come off. And I think that'll look slick as hell. So, okay guys, see you later.